现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Here comes Senshangan Band with a song called Birdcatcher Tree, which is a tree that has a special place in Kaohsiung's Meinong Hakka culture. You see, the fruit is edible, but it doesn't smell very good, so kids actually hate it. But when they grow up and become adults, they have a lot of memories of it and realize the taste is full of nostalgia. So let's take a listen to the song called 对面舞。
走夹夹，对面舞。加上坎当路，金凤凰，七日珠，数字夹万数，山下秋千扶了歌，行啦丢千歌。对面舞，加上坎当路，地色地府，做甲太心气。杂色主起路，蛇头猫全部，养yan yan人公鸡，一个阿妹心，有好事不相负。人从对面舞
哦，对面舞就是对面屋，是什么呢？是美浓客家人对破布子的叫法，是一种鸟也不吃、虫也不吃，但人会拿来入菜的果实哦。很多人小时候吃过，觉得它又苦又涩，其实对它印象很不好，但一直到长大离家才理解它的味道的意义啊，然后也触发游子的思乡之情哦。好，今天就介绍了这首声翔乐队的歌曲《对面舞》。Hope you like it. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.